Hi, everyone. It's nice to have you all with us today. My name is Kaylin, and we are going to talk about all you need to know about manufactured home lending. We do have a Q&A on the right of the screen and also a chat if you want to let me know where you're logging in from today. The Q&A will address at the end of the webinar and get back to you on that. So today, with all you need to know about manufactured home lending, we're going to review a few things. I am from Florida, just a little bit about me. I have been in the financial industry a little over a decade. I've already helped over 57 families in 2023 take that next step towards home ownership to get them in their new home. And if you want to know a little bit more, you can click on the link there, and you can also go ahead and apply there as well. So with purchasing, we do have questions about how do you get started, or what mobile home is right for you, the different loan options that are available with Florida Credit Union, and why we do relationship lending. So finding your home sweet home. So a lot of our members and consumers that come to us to get a new home, they may already have a home chosen, maybe a price range in mind. Some come to us and they don't even know the amount, they just want to know how much they can qualify for. So either of those, we definitely can help you get that approval for those. So with getting started, you would first do the application. We can take this in person, over the phone, or even online. I will let you know, doing an online application, it tends to be a little bit quicker. After we get the application, we go over it with you. We review it. We actually have a lot of different loan programs, so we specify each one directly to you and give you a couple options to choose from. Now, after you get that pre-approval, that's when you can take it to a realtor or even a mobile home dealership and say, hey, this is the amount we need to look for. Then you can start looking for homes. So on that pre-approval, depending on what loan product you choose, it can be a quick approval within 24 to 48 hours. So which mobile home is right for you? So we do offer new construction manufactured homes, which is off the mobile home dealerships. And we do also do move-in ready manufactured homes. So the new construction mobile homes, these are the ones that are at the mobile home dealership. So whenever you go to look for a new mobile home, a lot of our members don't know that we give you a pre-approval first before you go look, but we do offer that. So you are able to go to the mobile home dealership and pick out the mobile home that's right for you, which one you like. You're able to customize it, maybe change something in the bathroom or the kitchen, but you're able to make changes on it. With these construction mobile homes, we're able to use land towards your down payment and to help with the closing costs. We also offer conventional mortgage options that can be up to 30 years as well. There would be a waiting period after our one-time close. Depending on which mobile home dealership you go with, it can be anywhere from 6 to 9 months. That way they can construct the mobile home for you. Now we're going to talk about move-in ready mobile homes. So these mobile homes are mobile homes that are already on a lot. So once you get your pre-approval, you'll go with a realtor. They'll show you a few houses. The mobile homes that are already on a piece of property, whether it's an acre, 5 acres, these are the ones that are move-in ready. So after you close, you're able to move in right away. We also offer on these the 30-year option for the term. There's no age restriction on our move-in ready mobile homes. We do all the time single wides, double wides, even triple. And we also do second set. So that's just a mobile home that's been moved before, if you ever hear that. And then, like I said, these are move-in ready. So after you move in, one of the things about these mobile homes is maybe it's not to your liking right after you move in. So you can make renovations, upgrades, things like that. I do want to mention we also not only do pre-approvals for these, but we can do refinances in case you do want to do upgrades on the mobile home you have now. We can do a refinance to do some renovations for you on those. So we do work with a lot of mobile home dealerships all over Florida. They like to recommend Florida Credit Union because we give them a fast pre-approval, whether it's over the phone, online, or if they send you to us at a branch. So we get them back to y'all pretty quickly. We offer the 30-year terms. We're able to provide first-time home buyer benefits and new home buyer benefits. We have no waiting period for any bankruptcies, foreclosures, or short sales. And we do use the land as equity whenever you're going to get this mobile home. And we accept all credit scores. So with the different loan options that are available for manufactured homes, the first two, the fixed rate, which we can do for 15, 20, 30 years. And that is good for either a new construction mobile home, getting it from a dealership, or a move-in ready mobile home. Now the 5-in-1 ARM, which is the adjustable rate mortgage, is as well. So this is a fixed rate for 5 years, and then it adjusts for 3 after that. A lot of our members are taking advantage of this just because the rate's slightly lower. So both of those options, the fixed rate and the adjustable rate, the ARM, is available for new construction and move-in ready. Now the government-backed programs that we offer, the loan programs, the FHA and VA, that is going to be only for move-in ready mobile homes. So something that's already on a piece of property where you go and you can close and move in right away. So at Florida Credit Union, we are relationship lenders. We have been in this industry since 1954, and we started as a teacher credit union at that time. So we have been doing the home buying process for many years. We are here every step of the way by your side. If you have any questions, we take everything locally as far as your application, and we do have local decisioning here. So we don't send it off anywhere to get the approval. We are in-house. So it's Florida Credit Union that approves it for you. Now, if we're not able to give you a approval right away, we do work with you and we provide you with steps to get that approval later down the road. So at Florida Credit Union, what we use is not necessarily your credit score. So your credit score only determines your rate. So we believe in people helping people. So what we do is we look at that whole credit profile to see your overall credit. And we believe that, bad things happen to good people. So we take that into consideration as well. And we love to work with you. Even if we can't get it right away, we'll say, hey, we do these two things, and then 3-4 months down the road, you have a new home because you did those. So at this time, I'd love to take a little bit of time and share a couple of the new homeowners that I've helped this year personally. This couple here came and they wanted to do the 5-in-1 ARM. So I wanted to show you this because they not only got a first-time home, but they were able to have their baby as well for the first time. She actually had her baby right before closing. Now these members here, they came to me with a pre-approval in hand. They, came to me and said, Kaylin, we have this pre-approval, but it's just not enough for the house we want. So we went ahead and did the application. We looked at all of the options. Florida Credit Union, we were able to give them a much higher approval, which was able to get them into their dream home. So they were able to purchase the home that they wanted with our approval and get the first-time home buyers benefits all within 25 days. So we were able to close ahead of time with these members, and it was really exciting, especially with the benefits that they got as well. All right, so this is another couple that we helped so far this year. This couple had the pre-approval for a little while. Their thing was they wanted to have mobile home, but also land. So they didn't want, the 1 or 2 acres. They wanted 5 to 10. So in today's market, it was a little tricky to find it because there's not many options available right now. But we did work together. We were able to find them a single wide on 10 acres. And once we got that contract with them, we did close before schedule. And again, it was a single wide. I think it was maybe a little bit older, but they're very happy with the land they got. So at Florida Credit Union, we love to turn house owners into happy homeowners. So again, we're here every step of the way through the whole process. So if you have questions, concerns at all, we're here. You can always call us, email us, come in person, and we'd love to help you to that next step to get your home. So if you're ready to start the process, this is just a link here. You can go ahead and apply online or give us a call over the phone, or even let us know you want to meet in person. We can do that as well. After we get the application, again, we review it and we get that pre-approval for you ready. So at Florida Credit Union, we have 6 mortgage originators here. We are located in Gainesville, Ocala, Lake City, DeLand, but we are able to help you all over Florida. Our mortgage team is actually on this link here. So if you want to know a little bit more about us, where we're at, maybe ask us questions, you can definitely click that link there. I want to take a second to remind you, we do have the Q&A on the right of the screen. So if there's something I can answer right now, I'd love to do that. Now, we do also have 2 other webinars we've done in the past with Florida Credit Union, just to know a little bit more about mortgages. If you're interested in those, you can click on either of these, or you can also go to YouTube to watch those. All right, so now I'm just going to take a moment and answer any of the Q&As that we have. Again, if you're able to write those down there, I'll answer them pretty quickly. But if you're not able to stay with us during this time, I just want to take a second to thank you for joining us, and you'll receive a copy of this webinar to your email. So one of the questions that we had come in is, do we help with trade-ins? So I'm assuming this is going to be, trading in your manufactured home you already have on your land. So we do. We're able to get you a pre-approval for that. So the process for that would be to go ahead and apply. We talk to you, go over the options. We get that pre-approval for you to take it to a dealership. And what will happen is, with a one-time close, the dealership will bring out the new mobile home and then take your old mobile home away. So we are able to pre-approve you for that, to where you can take that pre-approval to any of the mobile home dealerships, okay? All right, so another question would be, do we lend to veterans? We do. We offer the VA loans as well, and you can even do second sets on the VA loans too. All right, and another question is, how much do you need to put down? So we have different loan options, different loan products, to where you may not need to put anything down. We have down payment assistance, we can use land in lieu of down payment, things like that. So it just depends on, it's a case-by-case basis, but if there's something that we can do, we'll definitely get you there. So I had a question here if there's any rate specials or promotions. Right now, we are offering a current rate special for our 5-in-1 ARMs, and it's as low as 6%. So with that rate special, it's locked in once we get the contract and everything to get you in that home. All right, so one of the other questions is if we also offer mortgages on modular homes. We do. So for the modular homes, a lot of mobile home dealerships offer those there. Maybe you go to a other construction company and they do the modular homes. We're able to do those, but we can do construction loans as well for a site built too. But particularly, we do the mobile homes and land, or modular homes and land, and even the site built ones too. So if you get your pre-approval, one of the questions is if you can select your own mobile home at a dealer. If you get that pre-approval, you take that pre-approval to the dealership and you're able to select your own mobile home. You can pick between single, double, some even have triple wides. and you're able to specify it too, as far as what customizations you want to do. And with our mortgage products, we do not require PMI. So let's see. Just go down here for a few more. So another question is, how far in advance do I need to do the pre-approval? So with the pre-approval, depending on if you're wanting to do a move-in ready mobile home or a new construction mobile home from a dealership, really it depends on what the time frame is that you're looking to move into it. So a lot of the times, depending on each credit profile, if there's some steps we need to do to get there, I recommend always going ahead and getting that pre-approval so that we know ahead of time. But we can do the pre-approval now to get you ready for whenever you do want to purchase. Let's see, I think that is summing it all up. Okay, so I will leave it here. I'll let you know that if you do have any other questions, maybe that I didn't get to or that come up, feel free to reach out to me, email me, and I'll get back to you right away on that. You can also click my link if you're ready to go ahead and apply. And again, you'll receive a copy of this webinar straight to your email. I'd like to take a second again to thank all of you for joining us again today. We are here definitely every step of the way to help you, and thank you again for joining us.